Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel VOCAB Chat, where we bring one new word every day to add to your vocabulary. So our today's word is CHORE. Yes, you heard it right. It's not CHORE. So what does CHORE mean? It means a job or work that is not interesting, but that you must do. Now let's look at few similar words that will help you understand the word CHORE better. Task, assignment, duty, etc. Now let us see how can we use the word CHORE in a sentence. So here is the first sentence. The children were each assigned different household chores. What does it mean? It means each child was assigned a responsibility to complete a different household work. Let us take one more example. That movie is a chore to sit through. What does it mean? It means that the movie is so boring that it is like completing a difficult task. So that was it for today. So try and use the word CHORE in one of the sentences that you formed today. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.